Today's video, I'm making a plaid t-shirt like this from scratch. I have no tutorials, no instruction, no Google, nothing. I'll figure it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a t-shirt I own that I like the fit of, try to make the same with the fabric I have. So what we're gonna need for this is sewing stuff, scissors, sewing machine, and a t-shirt, well, to copy dimensions from. So step one, let's cut the fabric. Okay, so I just cut the big piece of fabric, and now I need to make all the little pieces of fabric. So the front, the back, and two sleeves. And then we'll just have to put things together to make the t-shirt. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing. So this is done. I'm just gonna check it out a little bit and see like what it looks like. Maybe like do better finishes. And then we'll do the sleeves. I'm in a little pickle. I just realized that a t-shirt has a front and a back that's not the same. Yeah, one has the actual neck space and one doesn't. But what I just cut, I'm not sure what it actually is. So now I'm kind of confused, to be honest. Okay, let's go, but okay. So basically, I'm kind of stuck. Getting another copy of this is confusing me. And also, the fact that the fabric rolls like this, but like you see how this rolls, it's super annoying. So I guess I could flat iron it, but well, I've pretty much never done it in my life. So this is gonna be the back, okay? So I'm gonna make the back mimic the front and then cut the collar. That makes sense, right? Okay, I think I'm getting somewhere I'm kind of satisfied with. So these are two pieces of fabric. This is the front, this is the back, and now for the front, I'm sort of gonna wing a collar. Again, I'm not following any type of instructions. I'm just kind of like winging it, freestyle if you want. But I like it because it makes me understand a little bit like how people come up with things. And when you do something without instruction, it gives you ideas that might be like very out of the box for people. Because once you know how to do shit, then it's like, okay, you're just gonna follow it, right? Same thing with recipes, same thing with pretty much everything. Try to do it on your own because you might sparkle an idea that comes naturally and organically from you, and it could be interesting. And I'm just gonna cut the color. Is that a color or what? So what I want to do now is sort of like stitch the shoulders here and here and try it on to see like the length and how it's gonna look like. Alright, let me show you what it looks like. So mind that I only have this and this stitched in, right? So basically it'll go like this. I think it's a comfortable color, like it doesn't really, like it's not tight or anything. And then I need to stitch it like right here, like here, all across, and then we can see like what it would look like as a tank top. Okay, so basically right now we have this front piece, the back piece, they're attached here, and they're attached on the shoulders. Obviously right now it looks like a tank top. So what I need to do is the sleeves, so one sleeve, two sleeve, and I need to do the collar. So what I'm thinking is just like laying this flat, getting my fabric folded in half, and basically we want to do this twice, right? So two sleeves. Wait, wait, what? Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Okay, I can manage. I did two mistakes here, and I want to save you some time. So basically, from editing this, I learned that I didn't cut where the fold was supposed to be. You can see closer to my hand, the fold of the fabric was there, and I was not aligned with that fold, and I should have been. The second mistake is I left a lot of fabric on the left, and the shape of the sleeve when I reveal it is completely off. Like I'm supposed to cut on the separation, on the seam that separates the shoulder to the sleeve area. So therefore, I spent 20 minutes being hella confused about what was going on. I got two sleeves that are asymmetrical AF, but I think I can make it work. I think the two sleeves are not gonna look the same on the body, but maybe I can sort of figure it out as I go. Let's put them together. Let's do like the whole seam here, and then put them on the shirt, and we'll be right back. So we got shirt, sleeve 1, sleeve 2. Alright, so this is the t-shirt with the sleeve, the left sleeve. So this is what I feel. So this is quite tight here, okay? It's like hugging my bicep, which is a good and bad thing. It depends on the fit you're looking for. The sleeve is obviously like very long. If I can have the same thing here and it's like symmetrical on a line like this, I think we have a t-shirt. So this is t-shirt with the 2 sleeves. Both sleeves are super long. So this is too tight for me. It feels like a, you know, like you see those guys at the gym with super tight t-shirt. It sort of feels like this. I think chest, everything, the back, everything is cool. I'm gonna shorten them though, so maybe with the stretch, maybe a couple wash, it would loosen up a little bit. I don't know how fabric works when it's like brand new. So I'm gonna end up closing the armpit holes, fixing this one. I think there's another one here. So doing this one as well. And after the collar, I'll be done and we can move on to our lives, okay? So how the hell are we gonna do this? So I could take fabric and fold it like this, cut it, and saw it to a collar, so to make it more like pretty. I want to use these pieces of fabric because I don't want them to just go to waste, and I'm gonna sew them around the t-shirt. I'm gonna make 2 pieces, one straight and one half a circle, and hopefully that works out. So let's try it. So here I have my 2 stripes. So this is the neck and this is the front. Now I'm gonna pin this to the t-shirt just to see if it fits. So this is what it looks like with the pins on. Obviously this looks like a Christmas decoration at this point, but I'm gonna sew it all around and then iron it so it looks flat and it looks like a collar. I'm saying this like I know what I'm doing, but I have no idea what I'm doing, and hopefully it works out. Great. I finished the collar, it went horrible. I'm just gonna do the final touches to the sleeve that I thought were too long, and then we're done. So I'm actually wearing the shirt right now. The first Nathan creation from Project Stuff. So it's a basic black tee. I just redid the sleeve length. And I left this as a raw hem. I actually like it. I like the raw hems over there. I could have folded it and sew it to make it like more clean, but I actually like it like this. So first, I'm super happy about the fabric. Let me just put this like that. I'm super happy about the fabric. I think it's a very high quality fabric. It feels really good on the skin. But here's what went wrong. The first thing is collar. The collar is the hardest thing to do, I think. At least that's the hardest part I had to experience. The armpits are way too tight. Like the arm and shoulder are like really like tight. It feels like a workout gear almost. The sleeve was a pain, and I have like a stitch here which no t-shirt has. If you have a t-shirt watching this video, you don't have a stitch here, so you only have a stitch like here. The third thing was like the stitching, but this, I've learned that the zigzag was something that allows you to stretch the fabric without breaking the stitch. So I had a huge problem with here and like here when it comes to stitches. It was always breaking and I was like getting really frustrated. The shoulders are holding because obviously like I'm not gonna stretch the shoulder parts. But otherwise, I'm super proud, I guess that's the word. I think it looks cool. The back, like this. I mean, it's a black tee, right? So nothing can go wrong with a black tee. But I guess I could work out with this. I have no problem working out with this. So this is just a view that is like, okay, like here's a view 360 from far away. And now I'm gonna do B-rolls of the secrets, all the threads inside, all the bad parts. And you're gonna see what a disaster that is. It's like the war zone is inside, and outside is like the soft fabric, etc., etc. But overall, it was a really cool experience. If you guys like this video, share it to one of your friends, like, comment. If you want to see me do this, like do another piece of clothing without instruction, comment down below. What should I do? Should I do a pair of pants, joggings, a polo, a shirt? I don't know, maybe we can turn this to a series. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you for the next episode, and take care. Peace.